Okay, one coat of Rust-Oleum filler primer applied. So lots of sanding beforehand and filling. And this is showing up all the little defects. Maybe you can't see it in the camera, but I can see them. Okay, so we'll be sanding that tomorrow and ordering more of this stuff, which is not cheap, but it's doing the job. Okay, applying some of the numbers to the wing. It's a TPU small one. This one's going to go on the nose. This one's on the wing, so it's a little bit bigger. So effectively TPU, we use contact adhesive, the sort of stuff like 3M post-it note adhesive, and mask it off, put down a layer of lacquer just to hopefully stop the paint going under the edges. Now we have the wing, that's an outer wing. So I'm going to give that one more coat of, I'm just using sandable primer because it's nice and black, and I'll probably put a coat over the top of that of a matte varnish. Okay, masked off the walkway lines that go on the inner wing. This is the underside, same on that one. Let's see how it goes. Yep, not bad. Not brilliant, but not bad. Okay, got one of the outer wing panels here. The registration number sprayed with the TPU stencil. Anyway, see if it worked. Or if we got a major disaster. I don't know. Should be right. I've done this before. But usually get a bit of bleeding under there. Hopefully we don't get the contact sticking to the paint. Okay, so you can see the full stencil. Now, the bit that counts. Okay, it's not peeling the paint off. Got a bit of adhesive left there, but that's okay. I can clean that off. Yeah. Okay, I'm happy with that. I've just got to do a few touch-ups in there where I had the little joining strands. But yeah, that's pretty good. Well, I think it's pretty good. Nose markings. Ready to put the white down for the roundel. Put the extra bit of red over the top. Oh well, hopefully it'll give you the same shade of red. But that was doesn't have a white undercoat, that's all. Anyway, getting closer. Yeah, that's ready for its bit of white on the wing, on the roundel. That one's already been done. And both wings have that to varying degrees. Actually a little bit of touching up to go there. The barber's pole. Okay, and the spare wings, the long ones. So, yep. Oh, and these guys, which we've seen before. So they're pretty well ready to start assembling. And I've got to just glue the lugs in, glue the control horns on the ailerons, and I made these up for the bolts, which will keep the wings in place. So they're like little reinforcers that go in the little holes. I've got to cut them out yet, but in the where the lugs go in. So they're 5 mils, 3 mils, 1 mil, depending on whereabouts they go. I got the flaps there. I've got most of the cockpit done. Bit of painting to go there. Servos, that's for the flaps, that one. They need to be installed. Yeah, these guys need to be glued in place for the wing attachment. But on the whole, it's pretty close. Wheels. There's the aileron hinge lines. These carbon rods. And the servo hatch covers. They're here somewhere. I need to get them out and finish them up. Okay. Okay, I think the painting's pretty well done. The only thing missing would be the red stripes that come down from the cockpit, and I may not do them. We'll see. It's not perfect. There's a little bit of adhesive to clear off around some of the decals, but I'd like to do a better cockpit in the future. I really don't like that one, but anyway. Yeah, from a 2 meter rule, it's going to look alright, I think. Yeah, so other bits. And other bits. And spare bits. Okay.